Welcome back, guys, to enable website design. In this video we are going to be showing you how you can link your Facebook ad leads to your Google Sheet. So when somebody fills your Facebook ad lead form, you automatically save it in your Google Sheet with no stress, right in Zapier. Let's head into it. Now this is Zapier. So for you to get to this interface, you have to go to your home, then click on click on create Zapier to get to this interface. Now your trigger is going to be Facebook lead ads, not normal Facebook, because this requires a Facebook business account, right? Remember that. Now when you select Facebook lead ads, trigger invert is going to be new lead account. Sign in to your Facebook business. Make sure you do that. Now click on continue. I have many pages, so I can select as many pages as any of the pages. I have like 2 pages here already, so I selected one, the one I want to post in. The actual form, remember, right, when you select that page, all the forms you've created on that Facebook page will come up. You select what you want to listen to. Let me show you what I mean. If you go to this, look at the website right there, business.facebook.com, it takes you to your business page, right? And you can click on create form to be able to create an ad lead form that you want to campaign or boost, or whatever, so people can see it and feel. So that form is the form that you are going to be selecting here. So when somebody fills that form from your ad lead, it comes in to Zapier and trigger it, right? And that's it. Then the next thing is your action, which is your Google Sheet. Remember, you select my Google Drive as your drive. Spreadsheet is the name of your spreadsheet that you have created right in your Google spreadsheet. Then the worksheet is always sheet 1. Then map the columns correctly, and that is it. So guys, if you find this interesting and you want something like this again, there's topic you want us to talk about, build on, please write it in the comment section. Remember to like, subscribe to keep us and make it possible for us to keep posting these videos. Thank you.